gitna ng dilim, ako'y nag-iisa. Pipit ang bigat ng mundo, walang makakalinga. Tahimik ang luha, sigaw ng damdamin. Di ko alam kung saan ako patutungo rin. Ngunit dumating ka, tila liwanag sa ulap. Tahimik mong pakikinig, gumaan ang bigat. Dear Counselor, salamat sa iyong gabay. Sa bawat salita, unti-unting gumagaan ng buhay. Ang kwento ko'y naging kwentong tagumpay. Dahil sa'yo ako'y
Welcome back to Dear Counselor. Today's letter comes from someone stuck not because they don't have options, but because they're afraid to choose. What if I make the wrong decision? That is the question. Dear Counselor, may big decision akong kailangan gawin. Bagong trabaho, bagong lugar, bagong buhay, and I've been praying. But I'm paralyzed. What if it's not God's will? What if I choose the wrong and regret it forever? Sometimes it's not confusion. It's fear dressed as overthinking. God's will isn't always a specific place. Sometimes it's a faithful posture. And you're not alone even in the waiting. Sabi nga sa Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Now, I will give you discernment tools. Number 1, identify the root of your hesitation. Bakit ka nga ba nag-hesitate? Examine the source of your fear or reluctance. Is your hesitation stemming from a genuine moral or ethical concern? Or is it rooted in discomfort, fear of failure, or avoidance of challenge? Honest self-reflection is very important to distinguish between legitimate concerns and anxieties. Kasi baka yun yung mga naghihinder sa'yo para mag-progress. Pwede ka ring sumulat sa journal mo or pag-isipan mo mabuti, no? Through mindful meditation, kung ano kaya ang makakatulong sa pag-process mo ng iniisip mong desisyon. Number 2, seek discerning counsel. Don't simply gather opinions. Humanap ka ng wise counsel from individuals na alam mong may experience, wisdom, and genuine desire para i-guide ka ng maayos. And these individuals may offer valuable insights that may challenge your assumptions and help you see the situation from different perspectives. I-try mong mag-seek ng advice sa mga mentors mo, counselors, mga kaibigan, or kahit sa mga professionals na pwedeng mag-offer sa'yo coming from their expertise. Number 3, cultivate a spirit of peace and trust. While seeking answers is important, prioritize a spirit of peace and trust in your decision-making process. Prayer or meditation can actually help you connect with a higher power and cultivate inner stillness, allowing you to discern the path that aligns with your values and purpose. Focus on finding inner peace amidst uncertainty rather than solely seeking immediate answers.
Shampoos, diba ko pa Monnieri, Centella at may DHA pa. May Bilberry, Marigold at marami pang iba. Siksik sa natural na vitamina. Memorize na yan. Para sa ating lahat na mag-aaral. Memorize, lagi mo lang tatandaan. Memorize lang yan.
Platinum Pro, ang bisa ng 600mg caplet at yerba buena, moringa, lagundi at vitamin C na mga go food for morning flexibility and whole day mobility. Kaya walang aray sa palaging pagkilos. Platinum Pro. Platinum Pro.
Araw-araw ang digmaan. Umaga't gabi sumasabak sa laban. Dapat protektado ka outside at inside. Immune Advance contains 4 active ingredients gaya ng lagundi, malunggay, non-acidic vitamin C at zinc. Tulong pampatibay resistensya para tulong proteksyon. Isama pa ang proper diet at exercise. Para katawan ay handa, Immune Advance helps support a healthy immune system. Immune Advance ang sandata. No approved therapeutic claims. Ang Immune Advance ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit. Available in Shopee, Lazada, and other leading drugstores.
And number 4, embrace incremental progress. Avoid being paralyzed by the perceived decision, and instead, you may take small, manageable steps forward. Often, clarity emerges as you begin to act rather than remaining stagnant. And that approach can reduce anxiety and allow you to adapt to your course as needed based on new insights and experiences.
Sa dami ng ginagawa natin araw-araw, minsan nakakalimutan nating tanungin ang ating sarili. Bakit ko nga ba ito ginagawa? Para kanino? Para saan? Sa librong What's in Your Hand ni Coach Lano Fernandez, may paalala. Identify the significance of your goal or your gifts serves as a special purpose that you can only fulfill. Kaibigan, may layunin ang mga kaloob na nasa iyo. Ang talento mo, ang passion mo, ang karanasan mo, may pinapagawa ang Diyos na tanging ikaw lang ang makakatupad. Hindi aksidente na ikaw ay ikaw. Kaya sa bawat goal na tinatakda mo, huwag lang tingnan ang resulta. Tuklasin din ang saysay nito, ang mas malalim na dahilan, ang misyon na inilatag sa iyo ng Diyos. Sa Dear Counselor, lagi naming paalala, may saysay ang buhay mo, may saysay ang mga pangarap mo, at may Diyos na nagbibigay sa iyo ng direksyon. Kaya ang tanong, what's in your hands at papaano mo ito magagamit sa layunin para sa iyo ng Diyos?
Curious ka ba sa mga ibinahagi ko? Don't miss the book What's in Your Hand by Miss Lan Fernandez. Isang practical at empowering na guide para ma-discover at magamit mo ang gifts mo sa life purpose mo. Kung gusto mo magkaroon ng copy, madali lang. E-message ang Tagumpay It's All Good sa Facebook page para maka-order. Invest in your purpose. This book might just be the push you've been waiting for.
Sa bawat hakbang alamin mo anong nasa iyong palad.
Paano kung mismong pamilya mo ang dahilan ng sakit? Walang permanenteng away, pero wala ring bumabalik. Nagkakanya-kanya, nasisira ang dating buo. Sa Dear Counselor, paulit-ulit naming sinasabi, ang pagkasira ng pamilya ay hindi wakas ng pagkatao. Pwede kang magmahal kahit nasaktan. Pwede kang magpatawad kahit walang sorry. At pwede kang magpatuloy kahit hindi na bumalik ang dati. Ang puso mong wasak ay hindi tinatapos ng Diyos, kundi hinihubog niyang muli para sa bagong simula. Yan ang ay dapat. Pusong sugatan, pwedeng gumaling, pamilyang sira, pwedeng muling buuin sa oras, sa dasal, at sa grasya ng Diyos.
Faith is not always about knowing. Sometimes, it's about trusting. God can redirect a moving heart but not a stagnant one. So your fear doesn't cancel His plan. Grace still makes a way. It's okay not to have all figured out. Okay lang yun. Hindi ka naman ginagradan. You are being guided. Trust the process. Trust the one who walks with you. Hanggang sa susunod po nating kwentuhan, dito lang sa Dear Counselor kung saan ang inyong buhay ay laging may purpose.
Hi everyone, ako po si Doc Engineer Arnold Divina.
At ako naman po si Aida Gonzalez and we are your hosts here on Tagumpay It's All Good.
Dito sa channel ito, we bring you real stories, inspiring journeys, and good vibes na siguradong magpapalakas ng inyong umaga.
Kaya naman, don't miss out. Follow and like us on Facebook.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just search Tagumpay It's All Good.
At syempre, share nyo na rin sa inyong pamilya, barkada at kapitbahay.
Let's spread good news, good vibes, and God's goodness. Dahil sa Tagumpay, it's all good! Hi everyone, ako po si Doc Engineer Arnold Divina.
At ako naman po si Aida Gonzalez and we are your hosts here on Tagumpay It's All Good.
Dito sa channel ito, we bring you real stories, inspiring journeys, and good vibes na siguradong magpapalakas ng inyong umaga.
Kaya naman, don't miss out. Follow and like us on Facebook.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just search Tagumpay It's All Good.
At syempre, share nyo na rin sa inyong pamilya, barkada at kapitbahay.
Let's spread good news, good vibes, and God's goodness. Dahil sa Tagumpay, it's all good! Hi everyone, ako po si Doc Engineer Arnold Divina.